How to capture beautiful semi-backlight from a small window. This video is about how to photograph beautifully with semi-backlighting from a small window. First, we have our subject stand by the wall and take a photo using only the semi-backlighting from the window. The subject is dark, so let's use a white reflection board. We will reflect the light from the window using the white reflection board and have it hit the subject when we take a photo. This photo is brighter than the last one, but still feels dark. Next, let's use a round LED light. This one is a 50 cm LED photodiox light. We will direct this light to the white reflection board and not directly to the subject. The LED light will softly reflect onto the subject. The key points are that the light should be in the same direction as the light coming from the window, and the quality of light should also be the same. By keeping the direction and quality of light the same, the photo will not look as if we are using an LED light, but it will keep the lighting looking natural. The subject is a perfect brightness. Next, let's change the color tone. To take a photo with a warmer tone, we will set the tone at 6200K. The tone is much warmer. However, we want it to look cool, so this time let's set it at 3800K. The tone is cool and the brightness is just right.